What if your CMS could think, act, and build on its own? That's not the future, that's Sitecore AI. Hello everyone, welcome back to My Digital Diaries. This is episode 1 of our brand new Sitecore AI series, and today we are exploring Sitecore's biggest leap yet. This episode sets the foundation for everything ahead in this series, so stick around till the end, and if you find this valuable, do like, share and subscribe. Let's talk about something simple but powerful. How Sitecore has evolved over the years, not just in feature but in the way it thinks. Let's walk through 5 eras one by one using a simple example of an e-commerce website selling shoes. Era 1, Traditional CMS. Imagine this shoe store's website years ago. Every page was basically static. If the team wanted to change a banner or add a new shoe to the homepage, a developer had to edit the code, deploy it to a server, and hope nothing broke. No flexibility, no speed, just static pages and manual work. Sitecore XP. Now the shoe store gets smarter. XP added rules, basic analytics and forms. So the team could finally see what shoes visitor browse the most and set up simple personalization like showing running shoes to someone who keeps checking sport gears. Still on premises, still heavy, but a real step forward from just managing static content. Then come an era of Sitecore XM. As the shoe store grows, the business realizes it doesn't need all the marketing capabilities of XP. What it really needs is a fast, reliable content management platform. That's where Sitecore XM comes in. The focus shifts back to managing content efficiently, creating product pages, organizing categories, and publishing updates quickly. The website becomes lighter, easier to manage and more cost effective while still delivering a great content authoring experience. It's a streamlined CMS built for teams whose priority is content, not advanced marketing automation. Then era 4 XM Cloud. This is where things really change. The shoe store moves to the cloud, a composable headless API first approach. Now the website frontend can be built in React or Next.js, while content lives separately in the cloud. Marketers get visual drag and drop authoring, developers get speed launching a new shoe collection page, or even a whole new storefront takes days, not months now. And finally, the era comes Sitecore AI. This is the big leap. The shoe store isn't just managed anymore. It's assisted by AI agents. AI agents inside Sitecore can generate product description, personalize the shopping journey for every visitor, and even predict which shoe a customer is like to buy next. All with the marketers guiding it, not coding it. It's the shift from a platform you operate to a platform that works with you. So if you connect the dots across 5 eras, Sitecore has moved simply from managing website to delivering the intelligence digital experience. That's not just a platform upgrade, but that's a mind shift. We saw how Sitecore evolved from a traditional CMS all the way to Sitecore AI. But here is the real question. Why did it need to evolve at all? What problem was Sitecore actually trying to solve? Let's break it down using our shoe store example only. First, content explosion. Think about our shoe store. It's not just a one website anymore. There is a main site, a mobile app, an email campaign, social media post, and maybe even a WhatsApp catalog. Every new shoe launch means writing product description, banners, and caption for every single channel separately. That's overwhelming. Most teams end up manually drafting and assembling the same content. But in different format. This is where Sitecore AI steps in. It can generate, rewrite, translate, and structure content automatically. So one product description for a new sneaker can be instantly turned into a website page, an email blur, and a social caption in multiple language if needed. Less manual work, more consistency across channel. Second, data underutilization. Here is something interesting. Our shoe store already knows a lot about its customers, which shoes they viewed, what size they usually buy, what they added to cart but didn't purchase. But this data often sits scattered in analytics tool, in the CRM, in the website logs, all disconnected from each other. Valuable information just unused. Sitecore AI changes that. It extracts these behavioral signals, browsing patterns, purchase history, engagement data, and turns them into automated actionable recommendations. So instead of guessing, the store can actually show the right shoe to the right customer at the right time based on real behavior, not assumptions. Third, speed to market. Let's say our shoe store wants to launch a flash sale this weekend for a new running shoes collection. Normally, that means waiting on the content team, then the designing team, then developers to actually push it live. By the time everything's ready, the moment might already be gone. Sluggish turnaround kills fast campaigns. Sitecore AI speeds this up through automation pipeline. The campaign content, banners, and even landing page structure can move through the workflow much faster, cutting down the back and forth. What used to take days to go live can now happen in hours. Fourth, personalization complexity. Now many teams try to personalize manually, creating rules after rules. If customer viewed running shoes, show running shoe banner. If customer is from a cold region, shoes boot. It sounds simple at first, but as the store grows, these rules multiply fast. They become expensive to manage and hard to keep updated. Sitecore removes that manual rule building. It recommends relevant, context aware experience dynamically based on real time customer behavior. So if someone browsing running shoes right now, they see running shoes recommendation immediately. No rule was written by hand for that. The system figures it out on its own. So that the real problem Sitecore AI is solving is content overload, slow campaigns, unused data, and complex personalization. So that's a wrap up for today for this episode. If you found this useful, make sure to watch till the very end of every video in this series. There is always something worth catching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. In episode 2, we will see what can Sitecore AI actually do. See you there. Thank you.